This is what it looks like in my town. Nighttime is freaking creepy as hell. All you see is the lights that are on in people's houses and whatnot. And then it's just pitch black everywhere. I feel like I'm in the movie 30 Days of Night. So, yeah, it's not over. Which I already knew it wasn't gonna be, but one could only hope. Now we got ice rain, freezing rain, and it's just adding on to everything else that was still on the ground. So, I'm coming out here to warm my vehicle up, turn it over and everything so parts don't seize. And I'm going to be using the cords and whatnot and stuff to charge other electronics that we might need charged. And this is pretty much it. I was like, look, just look. It just keeps freezing. Things just keep freezing. I think this is the only time that this whole head situation would even be acceptable. I was walking down the street the other day and the cop they didn't even care.
Give her one throw, Alexis. There's one right there. Alexis. That's your cousin. It's his cousin.
It's Tony.
Oh. You have a lot of family members though, so it's kind of hard for her to keep up.
I could step on this thing.
No. Because if you fall through...
Tina, Tylee stepped.
It's gonna be kind of hard getting any type of groceries when literally the bare necessities is all that's available. Yeah, came here for milk. Doesn't look like that's gonna happen. Got some eggs, maybe some eggs. Yeah. Like I literally, the only thing I had to get was fucking milk. That was the only thing I really needed to get.
My wife wanted tea.
Oh, they got some Red Diamond.
I don't know. Check it.
Oh, is it unsweet?
All of them.
Shit.
So no tea for her. Where do I get Capri Suns if they have them?
It's gonna be over on like the aisle with like. So yeah, we're trying to shop around and stuff, get shit going. But it seems like everything that we are looking for is completely like out. Oh, it's further down. I'm used to the other Brooksters. It's finally getting to a point of melting down. We have another freeze that's coming tonight, and all this shit's gonna be turned into black ice. So it's gonna be harder to see. Hopefully in the morning, about like around 4, it should be melted. We got all the stuff melting off the top and everything.